Hello, this is Wright with Clear Pivot in Denver, Colorado, HubSpot partner agency. And last week I just went to my first Inbound 2015 conference in Boston, Massachusetts, put on by HubSpot. Awesome Inbound University where I learned a ton of new stuff and a ton of new trends that are happening in the industry that are going to change what customers buy, the way we engage, and the way websites grow. One of the big ones is called growth-driven design. And in comparison to traditional website design, where you put a big upfront cost, you guess on the strategy, and you wait 4 months to launch it and see what works. Instead, it suggests a smaller website, smaller amount of pages, and smaller functionality, but it's a smaller cost to the customer. It lets the traffic results from the launch, after the launch, inform the design changes. And above all, it encourages the website to not be a brochure that's not built for marketing, but instead is built for lead generation. It requires more participation from the customer and more of a focus on data and what's happening on the usage of the website to really make the website evolve. One of the brand new things with growth-driven design that I think customers are going to love is it allows for iteration on design components and design elements. 30 days into the launch, or sooner or later, it's decided that a certain functionality needs to be built with the site. You can use the traffic from the Launchpad website and the usage and visitor behavior to kind of inform that. Then the agency will implement that, and then we'll look at how people are responding to it and grow each section of the website and design components a piece at a time. There's one last thing I want to mention about growth-driven design that I think might be one of the most important elements of it. It's inevitable that a website's infrastructure and the design elements are going to have to change over time. And instead of waiting until the need is really big and there's a lot of anxiety and you've got this huge honking cost you've got to again use to grow the website, instead, growth-driven design teaches that you organize the design changes based on traffic results on some kind of design retainer that you and the agency you're working with or your marketing director can decide on upon the launch. And that way you can stretch out the costs of growing the design portion of the website over time. It's less anxious and it allows it to evolve in a way that really serves your users